Go.
Right guys, so today we're doing the Bird Eye Chili Challenge. We've done this before, but this time we're doing it with a frying pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, so at the same time, yeah?
Yeah. I'm taking this one.
I'll just take that one. Right.
No, let's swap. Let's swap.
Oh no.
What's worse, the green or the red?
Yours has got a stanky leg.
Yeah.
I'll change that.
Go for one of the green ones.
Go for that one.
Let's go for the liquor one.
Oh my god. Right.
Wait, we're gonna need some water. Something like that.
Get some milk, somebody.
I'll get Lecce once you've done it.
No.
I promise I will.
No.
No.
Get some now.
It would just...
Hold on, think.
Please!
Go.
Wait,
No. We need some milk.
Let Ian do it
No, I
first.
got
Because
the
he's
For God's sake. No, just take time.
I'll get milk.
You will.
I'll make sure.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Hang on, how much should we bite up to? So
I had like that much last time. I'm not making that
I
mistake
think Miles
again.
go with you.
No, I don't.
Yeah, what?
No.
Get in.
No,
1,
just do it.
2, 3,
Three.
go.
Go.
Do it. Do it.
Another bite, he's fine. Yeah, you got a bite, look.
I haven't had any of this yet.
Alright, is that wham?
It's alright. I was expecting it to be much worse,
I think
actually.
you should have the whole one.
Go on then.
Go for some more, Dan.
No.
Go.
I mean,
I'll tell you what.
No,
Go ahead.
no, I do not.
I took this like a man.
He needs some milk!
You can have mine. I have not had any milk. I have done this well. Alright guys, so Liam ran off. Wherever his chair's gone. I have not had any milk. Still full. I am man.
You're a good man.
I have not drunk any milk.
I don't know how to stop this.
My mouth is burning. My lips are burning. I am man. I haven't had any milk.
Thing is, it's hot. Hot.
Go on then.
Okay.
Some more
Go
milk.
I'm filming.
Yeah, huh?
All of it.
Not
I
all of
had,
it.
I had all of it last time.
No, you didn't.
I'm gonna have about up to
You
there.
only had about that much more than Dan. It wasn't loads more.
I'm gonna have about up to there.
Go on
That's
then.
brave.
Is it basically the more you have, the hotter it is?
Well, yes, there's more of it.
Yeah.
More seeds. The seeds are the worst bit.
Okay, so if you were to open it and just take out the seeds and eat
That a
it.
chafe. Don't do that.
Go on then.
I'm dying still.
You were done.
Thanks, Em.
Have you chewed it?
Yeah. Swallowed it.
Oh, there it goes. It's getting a jig on. Got a raid.
I am man.
Is that burning?
No.
People have different tolerances, though, don't they? Liam's
I
not
just
got much tolerance at all.
I just swallowed
Still
it straight
struggling,
out.
babe.
You're learning.
How good is that? How good is that?
Look,
How you feeling?
Fine.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Not even tingling?
Head not gonna pop. No, he had some more. Leave him, bro. Don't leave him.
You'll be
I'm alright.
sick.
I'm alright.
Right, you're good. Liam's still crying.
So guys, as you saw there, that was the chili challenge. Wid is dying.
I don't know how he takes it like that. To be honest, I think it's just me because I've got quite a sensitive mouth in my like dentistry as well. I've got like quite a sensitive teeth as well.
Oh, Barzar just uploaded a Twitter poll.
Yeah, sweet. I just got that on my phone.
Okay.
Could have someone done spit out?
And now we're just going to play a bit of Modern Warfare 3. It would be Black Ops 2 on Advanced Warfare, but Josh wouldn't let him. Bars off! But that's... yeah, let's get straight into this game, and you go straight out of this video. But also leave a like and comment, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hot was that for you?
I mean, I know there's like chilies out there that are like, oh, you're actually facing me. But I know there is like chilies out there that are like 2 million Scoville units, but for me, that's pretty hot.
That was pretty hot for me as well, just that
You didn't want to react.
I tried my hardest not to, and quite clearly I didn't. So I think I was pretty good at that. So guys, if you have stayed until the end of the video, I'd like to say thanks. And same for Wid, say thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully not another chili challenge.
Next time is California Reaper. Or not.
Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
What's going on in the gay bar?
Hey! Don't be mean to Frying Pan.